It's Willow. Looking at the keyboards. The keys, the keyboard rather. Hello. I mean, you do all sorts of things on WoW. It made me sit. Well, now away, but yeah. I had to clean up the desk with vinegar because you peed on it. So no big deal. We got plenty of vinegar though. Got dribbles. And then digging. Ever digging dribbles. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. I'll watch it for the cords. It's gorgeous. Trying to put up there. It's great. She's licking me already and giving me kisses on the nose. Yeah, she likes me. Oh, she's giving me kisses now. Yeah. I picked a sweetheart. I wonder if she's gonna have her lop part or dwarf part, because she's half lop, half dwarf. So, wondering if she'll stay dwarf. I don't know. I looked in the ears, so I don't know if they're gonna grow and then lop or what's gonna happen. We'll see. But I love that stripe. And that smudge, little black smudge. I didn't realize that little black smudge before. Just trying to eat the sea monkey's food earlier. This stuff. It's got sea monkey food in it. Love when she stretches out like that. Molly's being a very good girl by leaving the bunny alone with the butt. Molly. Demon dog eyes. Got the light on. I think that's enough. That's about 4 minutes. See you later.